Why you will never be as rich as Elon Musk, and that's okay. Elon Musk, synonymous with audacity and innovation, is a billionaire who has made his mark in multiple industries. His ventures are bold, perhaps even foolhardy. Musk's ability to take risks lies in his financial and existential security. A failed venture won't render him penniless, thanks to his privilege, inheritance, and early successes. Unlike Musk, most people would face severe consequences if they gambled and lost. Crippling financial ruin could result from entrepreneurial dreams turned sour, making risk-taking a daunting prospect. The disparity between the average person and Musk isn't meant to discourage ambition. Rather, it highlights the different playing fields we occupy due to wealth disparity and the opportunities it creates. While our achievements might not make the headlines, they hold personal significance. Success is about building something meaningful, fueled by passion, spirit, and courage. Elon Musk can have his Mars rockets and tunnel boring machines. We'll build our own empires, rich in grit, resilience, and belief in our own brilliance. One day, our own ventures might take flight, propelled by determination, not inherited wealth. And we'll celebrate, not for reaching Musk's heights, but for conquering our own mountains on our own terms. Do you think you can reach your own peak one day? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more videos.